Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome to my big campus. Let me kind of show you a little bit about how to first navigate when you first log on to my big campus. It's really pretty easy, and if you're used to Facebook, you probably can see it's pretty similar. When you first log on, you're going to see the activity page, and that looks just like Facebook. Somebody puts their thoughts or a question or anything, and then you can comment on that. That's just like Facebook. So we may or may not use that a little bit, but that's what that is. So I want you to go over here to where it says French 3. You click on that, and up comes your particular course. Now remember, all the courses you're taking are going to be over here. But you're going to click on this one, and I'm going to show you how to navigate. So here we are in French 3. This is the home page. And again, this may or may not change. Announcements is where I'll put something that's of important or of interest, maybe some due dates, things that are due for tests or quizzes or something upcoming, and so you check the announcements frequently. Discussions is really going to be an important part of this course, because in discussions I'm going to put a question or a topic, or eventually you're going to be doing the same thing with your classmates, and then people respond to that. This will be something that I will be judging, evaluating throughout the year. Part of this course is collaboration, is joining in, is getting engaged in the course. It's not that difficult. I'm going to show you how to do everything, but it's really going to be an opportunity for you to express yourself in French. The chat is what we call a synchronous activity. That simply means that if everybody over here were available, that is online and logged in, then everybody could write in this area and collaborate. So this really is good. Discussions is collaboration, chat is going to be collaboration. Alright, so we go up here, now we click on Pages, and Pages is really the bulk of the course. Okay, so in Pages, I'm going to click on that, and when Pages comes up, you're going to see this. And all this means is that this is where the bulk of the material for the course is. I'm not going to call it textbook, but it pretty much is based on your chapters. However, we want to get away from the idea that this is a textbook class. The textbook is important. It's going to be the base for our vocabulary and our grammar and so forth. But a lot of what we do is going to be engaging in conversations and watching videos and so forth. It's participating with the online part. But there will be a workbook and so forth, so there are some basics we have to get done. So the first one is what is a blended course. When that comes up, it's just going to kind of go over what it is that's different about this course as opposed to a face-to-face course. Modules are simply areas where the teacher can gather all the material necessary to complete that objective. So for example, if we're doing the material in chapter 1, for example. Okay, when that comes up, you're going to see material related to that chapter, the vocabulary, the grammar, and so forth. But it's going to be interactive, and it's going to tell you where you should get the information, may show you some videos, and so forth. Resources is where I can put some documents that you're going to refer to during the year, the syllabus, maybe how to do the e-portfolio, and so forth. The calendar is not going to show up right now because I haven't put anything in, but the calendar is going to come up, and it will have when something is due, maybe some more information about that. But the calendar really is pretty much related to right here, schoolwork. So what's due in schoolwork is going to be over here. Also, there will be some things printed in the module that will not be on schoolwork because it involves looking at a video or posting on discussions, but that will be in here too when things are due. Members is simply a list of everybody in the course. So we'll stop there. There will be some more videos that will explain activities, conversations, schoolwork, bundles, and so forth. But for right now, that's pretty much the basics.